Hello and welcome to Five Luo Words A Day in the Luo English Dictionary channel. In today's lesson, we're going to talk about these 5 words. The first one is Athung'a, Athuno, Athuok, Athuya, Athuye. So we have 5 words. And what we do in this channel is we talk about the 5 words, we give the meanings of each word and a sentence for each of them. So let's look at all of them particularly. The first one is Athung'a. And Athung'a is a sniffle, so if you have nasal congestion, you say Athung'a. In a sentence, you will say that Atieno ni kod Athung'a bang' koth manyoro cha ne ogoye. Atieno ni kod Athung'a bang' koth manyoro cha ne ogoye. So Athuno is experiencing nasal congestions after yesterday's rains. Athung'a, Athung'a. The second word of the day is Athuno. Athuno is a thorn tree. The one shown in this picture here. Athunon Thorn tree. Yien mar Athuno ema jochon ne tiyo godo e chwako chiemo. Yien mar Athuno ema jochon ne tiyo godo e chwako chiemo. So our grandfathers used the thorn tree as firewood or fire fuel. Athuno is a thorn tree. Athuno. Now thirdly, we shall talk about Athuok. Athuok. Athuok is a wire coil arm ornament. It's an ornament that you put on your arm, up on your arm, so that you'd, if you're dancing or if you're having some celebrations, it would give some noise and things like that. Okay, not some noise but some sound. Sound and noise are different. So Athuok is a wire coil arm ornament as shown in this picture, and you can say nyiri mapok odhi katedo chon nerwako Athuok e lwetegi mondo josero ong'e gi mayot. I'll take that again. This is a long sentence and I encourage you to practice and read with me. So let's go again. Nyiri ma pok odhi katedo chon nerwako Athuok e lwetegi mondo josero ong'e gi mayot. So in one take you'd say nyiri ma pok odhi katedo chon nerwako Athuok e lwetegi mondo josero ong'e gi mayot. So unmarried ladies adorned an arm ornament to pass the message to the potential suitors, and that is Athuok. Our fourth word is Athuya. Athuya. Athuya is slander. Athuya. Kim en wuoyi ma ohero Athuya. Kim en wuoyi ma ohero Athuya. So Kim is a man who loves to slander. If you're Kim, no offense. This is an example. No offense. Kim en wuoyi ma ohero Athuya. And our last word of the day is Athuye. Athuye. So Athuye is an abnormal tree growth, like an oak apple. So if you've seen an oak apple, because apples don't have oak, oaks don't grow apples, but if they grow one, it's an abnormal tree growth. So then Athuye means an abnormal tree growth. For example, Athuye odongo e yien makanera cha. Athuye odongo e yien makanera cha. Great. So I hope that you enjoyed the video, and please like the video just so that it can what's the word? So that it can just like the video. Just like the video and tell your friend to tell your friend. And I'll see you tomorrow. Goodbye and thank you. Bye-bye.